There's all kind of variables. You got rock, you got metal, you got concrete block, you got carpet. There's no telling what you're gonna run into out here in these woods.
Hey, good afternoon. Tim Bush with Gyro-Trac over here in Waynesboro, Georgia. Gonna see Darren Jaquez with Cleanway Clearing. Hey, Darren.
Tim, how you, man?
I'm good. How you doing? Good seeing you too. Is it warm enough for you?
God dog, I'm burning up.
Yeah, it's warm outside, but let me ask you, Darren, how's business going for you?
We staying busy.
Good.
Covered up with work.
You got some good projects going on?
Yeah, we got a few things. We kind of stay pretty steady. You know,
Right.
One thing right after another, from right-of-ways to underbrushing to some new subdivision work.
What territory do you cover? How far would you go?
You know, Tim, we do primarily a lot of work in Augusta,
Right.
Thompson, Warrenton, Harlem, Rennes.
Okay.
Go a lot in Waynesboro. There's a lot of farming in Waynesboro.
Right.
A lot of residential subdivision and growth up on the north side of my territory. So we kind of move all around.
Right.
You know, hour and a half range from around here.
I see you got a GT25 here. I see a Gyro-Trac head on this machine. What other kind of products are you running around here? Gyro-Tracs and other equipment as well?
Tim, we run this 25 a lot on the big projects. I've had it since '06. We run about 3 of the skid steer size machines, old planer's tooth style
Right.
tooth, even the cutter head with the new style Saber Tooth.
Let me ask you a question here. You say you bought this in '06. Did you buy that from Gyro-Trac or did you buy it in open market?
I did. I bought this brand new from
Okay.
Gyrotrap, February of 2006.
06, so it's 2020, so you've had this unit for 14 years now, right?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's pretty daggum awesome there.
So we run the 25 for a lot of the big things, and we run 3 of the skid steer size mulchers.
Okay,
For the
okay.
small jobs or clean up behind the big machine, getting in some
Right.
tight areas, and, or just kind of overall help with production on getting through the job and getting done. I've had good service out of them.
Well, good.
Anything I need, questions, answers, support,
Yeah.
parts,
That's 14 years, and that's a long time.
through thick and thin, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
A lot
Well,
of
you
work,
know,
no work.
Yeah, and life gets in the way sometimes, so you know, that's longevity. That's good in everybody's.
That's right.
Hey, Darren, let me ask you a question here. Why did you choose a Gyro-Trac beginning back in 2004?
Well, back when I started, there was fewer machines to choose from. That planer tooth cutter head
Right,
seemed
right.
a lot more efficient, and it seemed like it left a lot better finished product
That's right, that's right.
that did a good job.
Did a good
I
job.
want to leave a good job, fast, efficient.
Yeah.
So I bought this first and a cutter head so we could kind of work towards.
Right, tandem with each other.
That's right.
Yeah.
This machine's probably got 2,500, 3,000 hours on it.
Okay. So on this head here, you have the old Generation 1 planer style tooth.
They getting towards the end of their life. They got a few more jobs left in them.
Right.
If they're good, clean jobs, there's all kind of variables. You got rock, you got metal, you got concrete block, you got carpet. There's no telling what you're gonna run into out here in these woods.
Right,
And
right.
It amazes me how some of this stuff has gotten into the woods
Yeah.
where we work every day.
Understand, I used to be a contractor myself back before the market crashed in '08, so I've been there, I've done that. So I'm
Right.
with you, okay?
Oh yeah.
So it's a tough market. We're talking about different teeth and all this. I want to show you my cutter head on my truck here, the Saber Tooth.
Yeah.
This is our Saber Tooth design here, Darren. The big difference on our new design, our Saber Tooth, our current generation, Generation 2, we've moved the center rib out from the center here out to the edge of the tooth. And then we put a splitter up underneath this tooth here to reduce that mulch a little bit more. And then the spiral design around our teeth, around our drum with our teeth, it reduces your stress on your equipment, makes it more efficient because you only got one tooth hitting at any one time.
Right. I still run the original head I bought in February of '06. When I bought the 25, I bought a cutter head with the original planer tooths.
Yeah,
Design 1,
Generation
Series
1, yeah, exactly
planer
right.
tooth head.
Yeah.
We run it every day.
What we got here, as you know, this is Generation 1 here. This is how we started about years ago, and we still manufacture this, and we always will, because we have a lot of machines out worldwide with the Generation 1.
That's right.
The Generation 2 you're familiar with. This is a new design here. We've had this out about 4 to 5 years now.
That's right.
It's a little bit wider and heavier than this tooth. You can actually feel the difference.
That's right.
Yep. and customers reporting longer life with the Generation 2
That's right.
tooth,
Yep.
okay? And
I
then,
agree.
all right, and then what we have here is a self-sharpening teeth. This is actually the design of the Generation 1 style here, and then this is the Generation 2. All right, this is the Generation 1 design for our new self-sharpening teeth, and this is actually the Generation 2. The bolt-on pattern is what makes it a Generation 1 and Generation 2. Now this tooth has some hours on it, Darren, so how many hours on this tooth here you think this has on it?
That tooth has between 90 and 94 hours on it.
Okay, is there a little bit more goodie left in that?
Yeah, it's got a
Okay.
couple more days left in it.
Okay, okay.
After that, I'll be headed to the scrap pile.
Scrap pile. Yeah. Show me what you're talking about here. So is this your scrap pile here, Darren?
Yeah, this is it.
Wow.
This is where they end up.
So how many hours of sharpening teeth have you think you got here?
To sharpen these teeth is about 35 to 55 minutes, depending on how dull they are, what kind of terrain we've been in. So the best thing is me and my guys ain't had to sharpen these teeth in 94 hours.
Wow.
Because that's kind of one of the labor-intensive things. You either do it early in the morning or late in the evening.
Right.
Nobody
right.
wants to sharpen teeth when they get off work.
So you said from 35 to 55 minutes, so that'd be about 45 minutes a day, which is about over 3 hours a week. All right, Darren, it's time for me to go. It's been a pleasure spending time with you today. I appreciate your business, and anything we can do for you, give us a call, okay?
No problem, man.
All right.
I appreciate it. It's
All
been a
right, my
blessing.
pleasure.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Tim.
Thank you for watching our video today. It's been a pleasure to do this, and if there's anything I can do for you, I am your guy. Call me at 843-297-9088. Text me, call me, email tim.bush@gyrotrac.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.